guys, it's Donald here. I'm in Tennessee Floral Association's shows right now, and I saw Tim Farrell. I just saw his program, phenomenal program. So I want to interview him and let him explain to you what he does. Coming up. Hey guys, we got Tim Farrell here. Thank you so much for helping me today. So I just saw your program at the Tennessee Floral Association shows right now. So you've done so much beautiful arrangement. So can you explain to our audience or our viewer, what did you do? What the concept or what did you do for the program?
Sure. So the program was called Pulse, and it was exploring rhythm in floral design. And the concept of the program revolved around doing different floral interpretations of different moments in life. So we took a person's life from birth all the way through being a child to a teenager, growing up, and the different experiences of life to the very end of life, and just interpreted that in different floral designs.
And I saw this show, he using different color scheme for different time of the life. So what is your favorite colors for this program?
I think the things I did with red flowers were the most powerful for me for this program. We also paired up all of the arrangements to a specific song. So we had the actual rhythm of the song and the lyrics of the song to also give inspiration to the floral design.
Wow, I'm having a great time. I think all the audience having a great time because they have beautiful flowers, beautiful songs, and a great speaker in here. So it's just phenomenal. Favorite flowers you want to use for your program when you're doing a program?
My favorite flower is a green cymbidium. There's something about the form of the flower and that beautiful color of the chartreuse green and the little red freckling. That's my favorite flower. But in this design, these King Protea, they spoke to me. Okay, so
I have another question. If someone wants to start from the industry now, and what kind of inspirational quotes or inspirational things you want to tell them to get more out of this industry?
So I think that there is a great industry that we have here, that if we learn the beginnings, learn the basics, and that's the most important thing. Get the elements and principles of design down pat, learn them, study them, practice with them, and then look for inspiration from almost anywhere. You can get inspired through music, through architecture, through nature, painting, almost any art form, or just things that are visual around you. Then you can stretch the barriers and do something like music. And music is not a visual medium, but an audible medium. And we take those high notes and low notes and fast paces and slow paces and different tempos and interpret our design. So,
yeah, that's a great advice. Yeah. So thank you so much for today and helping me on my channel. And good luck for everything.
Thank
you so much. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button below and share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
We are doing our video in front of a washroom. One lady is walking to the boy washroom.